students, today we are going to learn about determiners. In this lesson, we will be able to define determiners, define specific and general determiners, state the difference between adjectives and determiners. Determiners are a group of words that determine or limit the meaning of a noun or a noun phrase in a sentence. For example, they are going for a picnic tomorrow. Radhika is my younger sister. Please distribute these sweets among your friends. In these examples, my, these, and your are all determiners as they limit the meaning of respective nouns or noun phrases. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. For example, can I have some chocolates, please? That dog is barking again. Which book are you reading right now? Here, some is a determiner which is referring to the noun chocolates. In the second sentence, that is the determiner which is referring to the noun dog. And in the last sentence, determiner is which and it is referring to the noun book. Determiners can be categorized as follows: articles, demonstrative, possessives, distributives, quantifiers or number expressions, and interrogatives are all determiners. Let us have a look of some examples for each category. Examples for articles are a and the. There is an apple in my bag. Examples for demonstratives are this, that, these, and those. These pens are very expensive. Examples for possessives are my, our, your, mine, his, her, their, etc. This pen is mine. Examples for distributives are each and every. Every child must study seriously. Examples for quantifiers or number expressions are another, many, some, few, a lot, several, and cardinal numbers like 1, 2, etc. There is a lot of confusion. Examples for interrogatives are what, which, etc. Which pen would you like to write with? Determiners can be specific or general. General determiners are used in noun phrases when we are talking about people or things in an indefinite way. Determiners like much, many, some, and few are general or indefinite determiners. Specific determiners are used in noun phrases when we are talking about specific people or things. Determiners like this, my, the, and those are specific or definite determiners. Note that no is a negative determiner. Let us look at the following examples. I received many gifts on my birthday. In this sentence, many is a general determiner as the number of gifts is not specified here. Those pens are kept on the table. In this sentence, those is a specific determiner as a specific number of pens is referred to. I have no information about Rohit. In this sentence, no is a negative determiner. Now let us learn the difference between adjectives and determiners. Take a look at the following sentence. Our new house is expensive. Here, our is a determiner whereas new is an adjective. A determiner and an adjective can be differentiated in many ways. An adjective qualifies a noun. For example, he is a quiet boy. Here, quiet is an adjective. A determiner limits the meaning of a noun. For example, Most boys love watching cricket. Here, most is a determiner. The form of an adjective can change. For example, big, bigger, biggest. Whereas determiners never change their form. For example, some, many, few, his, her. An adjective is placed before the noun or as a complement of a noun. Example, a thick book, or the book is thick. Whereas a determiner can come only before a noun. Example, few boys, second goal. An adjective comes after a determiner. For example, some good books were gifted to me. Whereas a determiner precedes other adjectives that accompany it. Determiners can have different positions. For example, many nice paintings, some great men. Let us look at some more examples of determiners. Give me a glass of water. Is this your house? That girl is a very good dancer. Every student should be attentive in class. By the end of the show, few people were finally left. Whose book is that?